Let's take a look at this review problem indicating don't always believe everything on your calculator. Let x be equal to this very large fraction, and let's plug it into a calculator and see what happens. 43292181107 divided by 7792592. And when we plug in, we get 0.5555556, and that's basically the same thing. We get 5 divided by 9, 0.5555556. So the question is, does x actually equal 0.5 bar? The answer is no. 0.5 bar, as we said, is equal to 5/9, using our rule from class, or else just simply knowing it. And this fraction that we have here, and let me do that real quick. So if the question is, does this fraction equal 5/9? Well, if these two fractions are equal, then if I were to cross multiply and clear out the denominators, then the two products would be the same. Well, we can clearly see that if I were to multiply the denominator on the left by the numerator on the right, I would get a number that ends in 0. However, if I take the numerator on the left and multiply by the denominator on the right, I get a number that ends in 3, because 7 times 9 is 63, and 2 times 5 is 10. That ends in 0. So clearly, these two fractions are not the same thing, because if I were to cross multiply, I would get two different numbers on the sides. Now they'd be very, very close to each other, and let's see if the calculator can handle this. 432 9218107 times 9. Well, it can't, but we can pretty much read it off. 3896296626. Other one, we'd have 7792592 times 5, and it looks like it's the same thing, but the next digit is different. So let me put this over here, that if I were to cross multiply, on this side it would be 38962962963 if I were to multiply it out, and that's clearly not the same as 38962962960. And that's what we get. Just looking at this, notice that this works out. I have the this is 3.8 times 10 to the minus, or 6.89 times 10 to the 10, and that's where the commas fall. If I start adding the commas, and this right here would be the 10 to the 10th spot for 38 billion. And same thing over here. So the two numbers are very close, but they're not equal.